The 2025 Genesis G90 is the pinnacle of luxury sedans, blending cutting-edge technology, opulent comfort, and a commanding presence on the road. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek, ultra-shiny glow-black finish exudes sophistication. The bold front grille, seamlessly integrated LED lighting, and aerodynamic silhouette make a powerful statement. Under the hood, the G90 is powered by a refined 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, the ride remains smooth, stable, and whisper-quiet, even at high speeds. The electronically controlled suspension ensures every journey is effortless, absorbing road imperfections for a truly first-class experience. Stepping inside, the cabin feels more like a private jet than a car. The seats are wrapped in the finest Napa leather, with diamond-stitched detailing and a massage function. The rear seats offer reclining features, individual climate controls, and even built-in entertainment screens, making it the perfect space for passengers who demand luxury at every turn. The ambient lighting, customizable to suit your mood, enhances the elegant atmosphere. The technology in the G90 is truly state-of-the-art. A massive OLED infotainment screen takes center stage, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with stunning clarity. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, ensuring every note is crisp and clear. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 G90. The vehicle is packed with intelligent driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The advanced autonomous driving capabilities provide extra peace of mind, making long journeys effortless. From its striking exterior design to its ultra-luxurious interior and advanced technology, the 2025 Genesis G90 redefines what a luxury Sedan should be. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a statement of elegance, innovation, and prestige.